Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with GoHighLevel. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate your Zoom meetings directly through your GHL workflows, saving you time and streamlining your client communication process. Let's walk through the setup together. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page, enter your credentials, and click Login to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can access all of GoHighLevel's features and tools. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your account. Click on App Marketplace. This will direct you to a page where you can browse and install different integrations that extend GoHighLevel's functionality. The App Marketplace is essentially your hub for connecting third-party tools like Zoom to your GHL account. Now that you're in the App Marketplace, glance up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it and type in Zoom for Workflows. This search will filter through all available apps and show you specifically what you need for integrating Zoom with your workflows. From the search results, look for the app called Zoom for Workflows by all the apps and click on it. This is the official integration that allows you to connect Zoom meetings to your GoHighLevel automations and workflows. You'll now be directed to the App Overview page. Take a moment here to read through the important details such as the app category, pricing structure, current version, and who has permission to install it. Scroll down to explore its features, read user reviews, and check the permission details to understand what access the app requires. Once you're comfortable with everything and ready to proceed, click the Install button. A pop-up menu will appear asking you which sub-account you want to integrate this app with. This step is important because it determines where the Zoom integration will be active within your GoHighLevel setup. Select the appropriate account from the drop-down menu and click Continue to finalize the installation. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Zoom integration with GoHighLevel. Now you can start building workflows that automatically create and manage Zoom meetings based on your client interactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.